So how do we drive down our costs associated with storage? Here, we're going to share just a few minutes on how to do that. Basically, as we're drawing out here on the board, we have performance disk and capacity disk. So the workload requires, because we're using some sort of software to define this, policy and process, automated workflow. So the workload is automatically routed because it needs the performance disk. But when the performance disk requirement has been satisfied, now that workload gets transferred to capacity disk. If you're running a storage infrastructure that does not have this, what I call very basic, elementary storage utilization capabilities, then you need to probably look at a new type of storage. The ability to provide our needs on performance disk, and we're talking solid state drives and others that provide great performance of disk, and then of course capacity, which would be your large SATA drives and things of that nature. How do we do that most effectively within our environments? We do that through policy, predefined policy, so that the computer, right, the storage node, can make these decisions for us. We want them to say, hey, performance for that workload has been satisfied. Move it to capacity disk. Why? Because capacity disk is huge, right? Large capacity, lower performance, but we can probably get twice as much, 3, 4 times. I mean, you have to look at the prices, but you can get a lot more disk than you can with performance disk. Why? Because performance disk is designed specifically to provide high IOPS, to provide performance that you need for rapid bursting and transactional environments. You don't want that satisfied on slow disks. Your application will notice the change between the two disk types. But why not have a storage environment that is designed to save you money, operating costs? And the way we do that is through policy, process, and software defining how that workload is satisfied and what type of disk it's going to reside on, that workload is going to reside on, to meet the service level agreements that our customers require.